Officer, it's stock. It is time for the 20G Turbo Flex Fuel Kit and the new up pipe from PLM with an external wastegate from Tial. I'm extremely excited. I just got the car inspected and I actually asked them during the inspection, I said, you know, is it okay if I have a up pipe with a dump tube? And they said, as long as you have cats, you should be good. It also depends on the inspector. So before anything happens, I already pulled the fuel pump fuse, so we're gonna run the car until it stops on us. Perfect. Good. I'm a Swiftie, so what? I popped these bolts off, ran the harness under here, went right over the throttle body. And it kind of looks good because it looks like it's just going into the map sensor. So I think it worked out all right. I'm gonna add another zip tie here so this stays nice and flush. And I'll probably tuck this in there too, but I went over this way, hit this ground back here, like the instructions say. The actual sensor is down here behind the battery. And then the new line is in, and I thought this was loose. I guess I was wrong. I think there's maybe like a fitting or something that just slides in here. And maybe ties to the other side. I thought it was leaking, but I just primed the fuel pump and I didn't see any leaks, so I think it's good to go. So there we go. Just got to put the new turbo on and the up pipe with the external wastegate, and that's it, man. We'll be ready to start this thing. Well, I got Batoon, I got to load as well, but you know, everybody knows that. You should know that. Oh my God. Downpipe's out. It's good.
Jesus!
Saving up money to lighten the load on your new one. What are you doing right now?
Replacing my turbo.
In which car?
My STI.
You're replacing it?
Yeah, look. So this is the OEM turbo. I just pulled the downpipe. It's right here. And this. I'm under the car. And this
size matters, reputation matters, results matter.
Is the new turbo. Dude, does it need a new turbo? Come on. Is that a fucking 10? Oh, man. Okay. Oh! 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 Oh, fuck. All right, so intake's in, battery's back in, flex fuel kit's completely in, turbo is in. We just have to replace the coolant feed line and then install the oil feed line. And then there's one bolt on the screamer pipe we gotta tighten up, down pipe, and we're gonna rip this motherfucker. It's 1:30 in the morning. I have 2 little kids. I'm gonna be exhausted tomorrow, so I think the best thing to do is just probably call it a day. Made a lot of good progress in the last 4 hours, 5 hours. Lost a lot of coolant, but I got a bunch over here, so it's fine. Day 2, gonna button up some last minute things, and we'll be good to go.
Daddy,
What's up, Press?
what this guy is look like?
What do you mean?
In the kitchen, it look like a weird egg.
What are you talking about?
A weird egg right there.
Yeah, it's all right. All right, here we go. Got the dump tube in here with a slight gap. It's just barely not touching, so that will suffice. It's very, very minimal, but it's a tight squeeze up in here, man. So you know, so it's not touching. We're good. It's not touching the down pipe. I mean, I had to hit this shit with a pry bar and just kind of make a small gap wedge in between here because it was just touching, and now it's just barely not touching. So we're good. Lines for the wastegate. So this one's going to go to the actual wastegate. This one on top is going to go to like a T-fitting where the boost control solenoid is to the compressor housing of the turbo. And yeah, we'll be able to fire this thing up. Flex Fuel Kit is throwing a bunch of codes because it gets all your power from the harness that goes to your EBCS. So we're gonna replace that, send that back to Cobb, and then we're gonna put a fuel pressure sensor in. Step 1, remove the 15 amp fuse and put it in the box over there. Step 2, remove the duct from your intake. You literally can just slide it out and then maneuver it out this way. It'll come right out. Step 3, start the car, let it die. Good. Remove the negative terminal, take the harness out. Take the old ground out or put the new ground in. Get an adjustable for the top here. Get your AN6 wrench, take it off. Like that. Do. Set up the new adapter like this. And then you put the like tire on like this. And now it is snug like this. And you just move it out of the way like this. Pull the sensor off the ethanol kit. Make sure you plug this into the new harness, fuel pressure sensor. Plug your connector in where the wiring harness is going to be for the TGV on the driver's side, and then actually plug in the harness into the TGV. Run it across over the top. I just did it over the top and kind of blended it in with all the other wiring here. You're going to plug it in to the EBCS harness and the EBCS itself, the TGV, this connector, and you should be done. I started on this at 1:37 p.m. It is now 1:46. I have my fuse back in the fuse box. I just got to put my battery, my negative terminal on my battery, my duct back in, whole wiring harness routed, everything zip tied, the whole 9. So I'm gonna flash the original tune that I got. We're gonna start it up and see if we got a code. First, I got to repair this little negative terminal that was supplying the ground for my Hella Horn kit. Yep. So the boost target for the 20G with the external wastegate was 20 PSI. We're gonna hit this one last watt log to see if we can really smooth things out with this revision. And if so, then it's gonna be time for ethanol.